Going to be talking soccer and the World Cup and everything else. But now let's talk Father's Day.
That's right. We're counting down to Father's Day with last-minute gifts you can get by Sunday. Here with the perfect presents for dads to enjoy all summer long, our buddy home contractor, Skip BEDELL.
What's up, guys?
And Skip, this is a gift for a big kid.
This is, if your
Also known
dad's
as
a big
dad.
kid, then this is a toy for a big kid. This is a gel blaster. Look how awesome these things are, guys. So they shoot these gellets. If you look inside, they're filled with water. It's like getting hit with a water balloon. It doesn't hurt. They're fun to shoot. Leaves no mess. So, Carl, go ahead and shoot this target. Right? Watch.
Wow.
Super fun. So check this out. You get 10,000 gellets for $5. You put them in the bucket,
Right.
you fill it with water, they turn into this. You get 3 hours of play with a rechargeable battery.
Are you finding that dads want playtime?
Yeah, so well, think about it.
Research
This is the
reveals?
ultimate stress relief, right? So, like, you give this to dad, a bunch of his friends come over, and you guys can shoot these. They're great because it doesn't hurt. There's no residue.
Right.
There's no cleanup. It's super fun.
And you know, we've got Nerf blasters.
Yeah.
With Nerf blasters, you got to pick up the little foamy
That's
dart.
right. You get 10,000, you don't pick up anything. There's no stain and there's no residue. They evaporate.
You okay, Carl?
What else you got?
Yeah, oh, I got some cool stuff. Come check this out. So look, this is the misting cooler. This is Project Source misting cooler. So as you can see, it's a 5-gallon cooler bag. You can put your ice and your drinks in here, take it to the beach, but at the same time, it's got a rechargeable battery.
Oh, that's
So now
brilliant.
you take this misting hose, a 20-foot hose it comes with. You can clip this onto anything, your patio umbrella.
Right.
You can clip it onto your lounge chair, whatever you like.
What's the point? To mist the sun?
Yeah, so
Cool
to keep
down
you
the
cool. So
temperature.
you put ice, you put water in here, you put your drinks, you take it with you. You got 2 hours of misting time.
That is
Watch this,
great.
guys. Look at this. I'm going to turn the fan on. Watch how cool this is. So now you got a misting fan. It comes with the clips. You clip it onto your fan. Super. These are available at Lowe's, $169. This makes a great gift for dad.
SkipBedell.com. What about this?
Yeah, so this is the Halo Fire Torch. So this is the Lotus firebox. It runs on a barbecue tank that's hidden inside here.
Propane.
It rolls around your patio so you can put it anywhere. It creates heat. It's a nice patio heater, but it also has this super cool vortex flame. So it's great to look at, and it'll run 20 hours. It'll heat your patio for 20 hours on one barbecue tank. So you can't go wrong.
That's good for a dad who wants to have a beer outside and just watch the flame go
Yeah,
around
so
in a
after you
circle
get
like a
done
tornado.
shooting your friends and misting in the sun, then when the sun goes down, you come out to the Halo Lotus Fire Torch.
That thing's epic.
I think you just helped America.
Yeah.
Right? I'm telling you, man.
More information, go to skipbedell.com. Skip,
Hey,
thank
thanks,
you very
guys.
much.
Thanks,
Carl,
guys.
good job.
Happy Father's